Welcome to Resistors, flow controllers. This video is a simple guide to understanding components that control electricity. Resistors are essential components in every device, acting as flow controllers for electricity. What exactly is a resistor? Let's break down this essential piece in every electronic device. Resistance is measured in ohms, named after Georg Simon Ohm. This measurement tells us how much a component opposes the flow of electric current. Think of electricity like water flowing through a pipe. A resistor is a narrow section that restricts the flow, preventing delicate parts like LEDs from burning out due to too much current. The pipe analogy helps illustrate this concept. The resistor restricts the flow of electricity, much like a narrow pipe restricts water flow. Resistors fall into two main families: fixed, where the value remains constant, and variable, where you can manually adjust the resistance. Fixed resistors are used for protection, preventing excess current. They also offer voltage control by dividing voltage and ensure circuit stability for predictable operation. Carbon film resistors are the most common type, found in almost every household electronic device. They are cost-effective and available in a wide range of values. Metal film resistors are the smart cousins, offering precision and stability. They handle heat well, making them essential for medical equipment and scientific tools requiring high accuracy. Wirewound resistors are power specialists, made by winding metal wire around a ceramic core. These heavy-duty components are used in high-power applications like heaters and motors. SMD, or surface mount devices, are the tiny heroes on circuit boards. They enable incredibly thin devices like smartphones and are soldered directly onto the board by machines. Next, let's explore variable resistors, which give you the power to change the electrical flow. Potentiometers are used for user interfaces, like volume knobs. Rheostats are larger versions that directly control high-power devices, such as fan speeds. Finally, we have smart resistors. LDRs change resistance based on light. Thermistors are sensitive to temperature, and varistors protect against sudden voltage spikes. When selecting a resistor, consider its type for specific needs. Carbon film is best for general use, metal film for high precision, and wirewound for high-power applications like motors. Power handling is crucial. Wirewound resistors are the giants, handling hundreds of watts. Metal and carbon film are rated in the 0.25 to 2 watt range, while common SMD resistors are lower, around 0.1 watt. Visually, the power handling capacity is clear. Wirewound components are the largest, followed by carbon and metal film, and finally the tiny SMD parts, reflecting their ability to manage power.